Hello everyone, welcome to SR Technologies. As part of Linux free course, this is the day 4 video. In this day 4 video, I'm going to show you how to edit Linux file by using Vim editor. In day 3 video, I showed you how to create an empty Linux file by using touch command. Now also, I will show you how to use touch command, where to use touch, where to use Vim command, and what are the differences between Vim and touch command, and also I will show you cat command. Fine. Before starting today's video, please subscribe my channel to get more technical videos. Also, you will get free cloud courses like AWS, Azure. Also, please like and share these videos so that it will reach a lot of people. It will help a lot of learners who wants to learn cloud courses with free of cost. Yeah. Let us start. Today's agenda is how to modify Linux file. Modify or edit, you can say anything, by using Vim command. Vim is the file editor actually. Vim is a file editor. Yeah. In day 3 video, I showed you how to use touch command. Just by using touch command, we can create one Linux file, empty file, that's it. We cannot edit the file with the touch command. Yeah. In Windows, just I will explain some use cases. In Windows, usually if you want to store some data, if you want to store some information in your Windows laptop, where you will do? Where you will store? First, we will create one folder. That folder can be anything. This SR Tech is a folder. Inside that SR Tech folder, you will just create one notepad, notepad 1, notepad 2, like this, or you can give any name. Inside this notepad 1, notepad 2, inside this notepad or Word file or whatever, you will store some data. Same here also, in Linux also, we'll do one thing. We'll just create one folder or directory by using mkdir command. We can create. So already I showed you in our day 2 and day 1 videos. This is the directory, SRTech directory. Now here we will create some Linux file. You can do anything. I'm giving Linux file 1, something. Inside this Linux file, I will store some Linux commands. So just for example, if I want to store my Linux commands in Windows, I can just create some notepads, and inside that notepad, I can write these Linux commands and I will share with you just to share the material. Here in Linux, we need to create a Linux file by using touch command, and we need to modify. If you want to modify, you have to use Vim command again. You cannot modify, you cannot add anything inside this file by using touch command. Yeah, I will show you now. Let us just connect to EC Toasters. This is the EC Toasters. If you don't know how to connect EC Toasters, if you don't know how to create EC Toasters, EC2 means it's a virtual server in AWS cloud. Please watch my AWS EC2 video. I gave complete AWS course free of cost. Please watch and learn it. It will help you. Yeah, fine. See, this is my Linux mission. This is Ubuntu Linux mission. Root. I just logged in with the root user. Now, I will create one folder like SRTech. mkdir is the command to create the folder. Do ls. ls is the command to list all the files and folders. SRTech is the folder or directory. Go inside this, all these mkdir, cd commands, ls commands I have explained in day 2 video. Yeah. Now, I'm inside pwd. If you want, you can just check with pwd. Pwd means present working directory. This also we discussed in day 2, I think, or day 1. Now, what we will do? We need to create a Linux file one. In day 3 video, I use touch command to create the Linux file. Linux file 1. Yes. Now, new ls, Linux file 1 got created. If I want to store some data, if I want to write something inside this Linux file, or if I want to modify the existing data, existing information, so what should I do? I have to go inside that. And once I go inside, I need to change. I need to modify, or I need to add whatever. If I want to add something, for anything, we need to go inside that file. For that, we can use Vim command. Vim file name, Linux file 1. Yeah. So I'm inside the file. So file got opened. See here, Linux file 1. This is the bottom of the file, Linux file 1. So can I add something? I'm typing, but it's not allowing me. Why it's not allowing me? By default, Linux file will be opened in escape mode. There are two modes. One is escape mode, second is insert mode. It will, you cannot write anything. You cannot modify Linux file in escape mode. If you want to modify this file, if you want to edit this file, you should switch to insert mode. How to switch to insert mode? Just press I letter in your keyboard. Just I. See the bottom of the file, insert. That means I am in insert mode. Now what I will do, I will just write something, mkdir, to create a Linux directory. Whatever you want, you can just write cd, change directory like this, and cp. This is a copy file or directory like this. Yeah. Now, what I need to do, we need to save and exit from here, from this file. How to save? Once you done your work in this file in escape mode, just again you have to go back escape mode. So this is the insert mode. In insert mode, I made these changes. That means I edited this file. Now I should switch to escape mode again to save and exit. How to switch to escape mode? Just press escape button in your keyboard. Yes, this insert is disappeared. Now colon, shift and colon, W, Q. W means save, Q means quit. Just enter. Yes, that's it. If I want to read that file content, I can just open again Linux file 1, win space Linux file 1. Yes, I can read it. Now, if I want to add anything, I have to switch to insert mode again. I have to write, and again I should come back to escape mode and save and exit. Now I don't want to add anything. From here I can just come back. How to come back? I'm in escape mode already. Just colon WQ. Here I did not make any changes here. So that is the reason I don't want to save this file. Just Q. That's it. That's it. I came out without saving because I did not do. See, for example, this is a small tip. When you are working with these Linux files, if by mistaken, if you did something wrong inside that file, you can just simply come out of the file without saving it, just by using only Q. Because just instead of correcting all the code and all those things, you can just come out and you can open again. Yeah, for beginners. Here, what we have done, if I want to read that file content, I just went inside by using vim command, then I came back. So instead of going inside that file and coming back again, we can just use cat command. Cat is the command to read the file content, Linux file 1. Yes, see here, mkdir and cd command, cp, copy file or directory, whatever changes, whatever lines I have added, I can just read here. Fine. Also, when you are modifying the existing file, you can just use this vim command and file name. For example, I need to create and modify the file with same command. Also, you can do. Now, see here, Linux file 2. Linux file 2, there is no file with name of Linux file 2. I did not create this Linux file 2 by using touch command, but directly I am giving vim command for this file to create this file and modify this file. That means if file is there already, vim will open. If file is not there, vim will create and open. Yeah, Linux file 2. If when you use vim command, if there is a file already with the name of Linux file 2, it will open just. So that's what happened in Linux file 1. If there is no file with that particular name, vim command will create the file and it will open. Yeah, that's happened. Fine. Now, what I will do, by default, it will open in escape mode. You know that. Now, just go switch to insert mode. insert, and now just write something, add something. Yeah, fine. Again, go back to escape mode by pressing this escape button from your keyboard. Yeah, now shift colon and WQ. Here you can just use exclamatory mark also. That means when you give this WQ, if it asks something, if it don't work sometimes due to any reason, you can just use this exclamatory demand. That means that's a force quit. That's it. Yeah. And now cat Linux file 2. If you necessary the command. Now what we have done, we have just created this srtech directory. Inside that srtech directory, we created Linux file by using touch command. Again, we created Linux file 2 by using win command, and we just edited. And by using cat command, we can just read the file content. Please practice these commands. If you don't practice, you will forget easily. Also, please watch all my videos from beginning to ending. So then only you will understand that concepts. Fine. Yeah. See you in day 5 video, guys. In day 5 video also, I will just cover some Linux basics. Also, please subscribe my channel to get more technical videos, and don't forget to like and share these videos so that it will reach a lot of people. That means it will help a lot of learners who wants to learn this cloud courses with free of cost. Thank you. Bye.